Creating great technology isn't just about building powerful code. It's about building a seamless relationship between the computer and the human user. Improving human-computer interaction involves targeted strategies aimed at making systems more user-friendly, efficient, and complete. By addressing core areas like user-centered design, accessibility, and interface simplification, developers can significantly elevate the overall experience. Today, we're exploring 5 foundational methods used to optimize HCI. Our first and most vital method is user-centered design, or UCD. This is a design philosophy that places the end users right at the absolute core of the development cycle. Instead of guessing what users want, designers continuously gather feedback throughout the entire project to ensure the final product perfectly aligns with their needs and limitations. For instance, imagine developing educational software for schools. By involving teachers and students from day one, early testing might reveal that students prefer interactive quizzes over static reading material, allowing developers to pivot and maximize classroom engagement. The second method is implementing accessibility enhancements. This strategy focuses on making systems entirely usable for individuals with a diverse range of physical or cognitive abilities. The goal is to ensure software is perceivable, practicable, and understandable for everyone. A clear example of this is a modern educational video platform. By providing synchronized captions and complete transcripts, the platform instantly opens up to students with hearing impairments. Additionally, incorporating strict keyboard navigation and screen reader compatibility allows users with motor or visual impairments to interact seamlessly. Third, we have simplifying user interfaces. Simplicity means removing unnecessary complexity and presenting data in a perfectly clear manner. A well-designed system minimizes both user effort and cognitive load by prioritizing essential features. Look at modern streamlined email applications. Instead of crowding the screen with complex configurations, they feature a minimalist layout showcasing the most common utilities like Compose, Inbox, and Search. This helps users quickly manage communications without encountering distracting clutter. Our fourth method is improving performance. Optimization is absolutely essential for keeping applications running smoothly. Slow load times or lagging interfaces frustrate users and destroy productivity. To resolve this, developers focus heavily on back-end optimization. For example, on massive e-commerce websites, developers can significantly improve user experience by compressing images, minifying code files, and implementing efficient asset loading. This keeps the storefront responsive and prevents buyers from abandoning their shopping carts. Finally, we look at error prevention and recovery. Mechanisms that handle user slips are critical for protecting data integrity. Systems must be built to catch errors before they happen, or offer instant recovery options when they do. Think of a standard spreadsheet application. If you try to close a file without clicking save, the app actively prompts you to save your changes, instantly preventing accidental data loss. Similarly, web forms with real-time validation checks guide users to fix input errors immediately before hitting submit. When we combine user-centered design, deep accessibility, clean interfaces, quick performance, and robust error prevention, software transforms into a powerful, invisible assistant. Which of these 5 methods do you think is most overlooked by modern developers? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, hit that like button, and subscribe to keep mastering computer systems design.